Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Hustling, every day I'm hustling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, super excited here. I got my amp in. So for those of you that aren't in the loop, many of you know I am redoing my entire build. I'm gonna be doing a C-pillar 6th order bandpass in the Hummer, and I needed a big amp to power my additional sub because I'm gonna be running 3 ZV515s wired to 1.3 ohm, and I needed a good amp to be able to run that. And lo and behold, I found a fellow bass head on Facebook Marketplace that was selling a Crescendo Audio Encore 12K, and that should definitely fit the bill. But I'm excited to open it, but I'll shoot some more videos here in a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and get this thing unboxed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, here she is, and what a beauty. When I bought it, I knew there was gonna be a little bit of blemishes here, a little bit of scratches, but you know what? I don't care. As long as she pumps and pounds, which he did demo it for me before he disconnected it. Sounded like it worked fine, but I'm happy, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this sucker installed. It's barely gonna fit underneath my seats in the Hummer, so I might have to do some modifications to get it to fit under there. But I'm just super excited to get this thing hooked up and to get it tested to see how it runs. But more videos to come. Stand by. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here is the Crescendo Encore 12K completely installed in place of my old Sundown SAE 3000s. Just absolutely beautiful amp, and it pounds. It is so nice, and I just cannot wait to unleash its full potential. But I am super excited. It definitely hits hard, and I had to change up my setup a little bit from last time simply because the triple inputs, so I had to add 3 300 amp fuses, okay, to supply the power to the amp. Still got my 2 XB3000s and a bunch of extra wiring. I moved my fuses to the battery, or coming from the battery over here. I think I'm gonna have to run another run of power just to get more juice back here, because I can guarantee that this Crescendo here sucks some serious juice. So gonna have to get some more, but I'm just excited, and I just wanted to share with everybody what I'm pretty fired up about. So stay tuned for some demos and to hear this thing blast these Sundown ZV515s back here. It's gonna be awesome.